Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science focused on building systems capable of performing tasks that require human-like intelligence. Understanding its principles necessitates a delve into various foundational concepts that guide the development and functioning of AI technologies. The foundational principle of AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI systems are built to interpret external data, learn from it, and use this learning to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. 1. Learning. This encompasses several labeled types, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves the system learning from input-output pairs, where the target answer is known. Unsupervised learning models work with data that has no pre-assigned categories and aim to find hidden patterns. Reinforcement learning is learning by trial and error, where the system learns by the consequences of its actions in specific situations. 2. Reasoning. At its core, AI reasoning includes the methodologies that allow a system to create new inferences from existing knowledge. This includes rule-based systems and logical deductions. Ensuring accuracy and making strategic decisions using available data and heuristics is essential. 3. Problem-solving. AI systems are often built to solve specific problems. This involves defining the problem clearly, identifying solutions, evaluating those solutions, and selecting the best one. Techniques used include search algorithms, knowledge representation, and constraint satisfaction. 4. Perception. This refers to the capability of systems to interpret data from the world and act upon it.